Hello my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. First things first, y'all have got to make sure that y'all like this video. Help your girl out, because I put in so much to make sure that this video was just right for y'all doing this review with Anrosa Kinky straight hair. And I literally accidentally deleted the whole video. The only way that this video that you are watching right now is even alive is because I sent the first video to my friend so she can look over it, and thank God it was still in our messages. So please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video, comment below what you want to see next, follow me on Instagram at Tatiana Simone, and I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. There you have it, y'all. You got your side part. That's simple. All you literally have to do is remove whatever side you want your hair to be going. Just remove some of those clips and then just place them on the other side however you want it to look, far as if you want it to look really full or if you just want like a slight, little hint. But I like for one side to be a lot fuller than the other, so I just tucked it behind my ear, and of course you can take it out and just rock it like this. All right, now on to the next style. from the second look, you now have a third look with this quick little style. So this side, I wind up just going this way, like kind of going back. And then this side, due to the way my clip was placed, I wind up going forward. And then I just pinned them kind of right here.